What's going on, guys? What's up, Declan? What's up, Bala? How's it going? Found this from Discord. I like to code, so I thought it'd be fun. Hey, I like to code too, and I do it professionally, but I'm pretty bad at it sometimes. So I wanted to. I had an idea. So myself, Spanish dude, Chadley, and Chadley's wife, we all three stream Diablo 3 on Saturday evenings, and we usually stream it on Twitch. It's really hard to see all three of our chats together. So I wanted to build just a small Node.js, small Node.js program to combine our chats. And I know it's kind of funny. I'm on YouTube right now, streaming something that I'm doing for Twitch, but that's okay. I think that'll be fine. You can see right here. I had started working on this earlier today at my lunch break and kind of started messing with it. But I need to rework it. There's an echo. Must be on your side, I guess, because there's nothing echoing on my end. Anybody else hear an echo? What's up, Silver? How's it going, bud? There'd be no reason for an echo on my end. Okay. So maybe just Silver has it open twice or something. I do have it on regular low latency today. I totally derped and thought I clicked on ultra low, so delayed responses. Sorry. But you will see if I type in testing on my Twitch, and then I've got this set to where I have to refresh it right now. That's part of why, like, I didn't want to have it auto refresh, and I need to find some better ways to get the data to pass through live. So I figured what better way to do stuff than with you guys and see if anybody has better ideas for me. I have set up a project already here. Let's see. I have to. You like my background? You can see my background. Let me kill this server. Not on there anymore. Make a horror game. This is not a game development. So yeah. So anyways, I have set up and initialized a node project with a few dependencies already. So I have set up Express. I don't know if anybody is familiar, if any guys are familiar at all with Node.js, but I have set it up with Express, Socket.io. I want to try and use sockets to push the data through. So we're going to actually start with that. That'll be our starting point. I've already done a small chat app one time with Socket, so I figured I'd just go ahead and over. I literally just explained what I'm making. I am making a small Node application that is going to combine multiple Twitch chats together to make it easier to read if you are trying to read multiple chats. For instance, whenever myself, Rigo, and Chadley all stream together, we have to have 3 chats open so we can see each other's chats. I want them to combine. So that's what I'm making today. I'm gonna try my best to get something done. I already have a working prototype, which is totally usable, but it's not what I want. So I want to make this something I can deploy to something like Heroku, and we can, maybe let people use it. So first, I'm going to go ahead and basically we're going to be using Express and sockets to set up a little bit of a server. So here in our index.js, we will be setting up some things. So we'll go ahead and let's see, const app equals require, and this will be Express. I hope everybody's doing well today. This will be our HTTP. You want to learn to script in Roblox? I have a feeling if you can script in Roblox, it's probably some form of like Lua or JavaScript, and JavaScript's not a bad thing to start learning, Want to create a server, pass an app. Okay, so we'll do that, and then will be our sockets. people live off. Yeah, I mean, if you can create a product that people want, then yeah. Okay, so we set up some requirements, and we need to go ahead and set up like a port. So set the port as I don't know, 1337, because we're a lead like that. Yeah. So, I am looking at another project I have done for a little bit of like a guidance on starting off with this. I'm making something like the Dark Deception game. Nice, nice. Should be pretty cool. So we will start up our socket. A little server, so then hey, listen. And that will be port and an anonymous phone. People don't know how to script. Hey, all you gotta do is learn. All you gotta do is learn. We will just say now server is listed. Easier said than done. I mean, I did it. I learned how to do scripting and everything before I went to college. Any of that, it can be done. Promise you. Can't seem to find the motivation. Well, see, that's your problem. You gotta get that motivation. Port. Okay. So this should simple. All right. So our server is now listening on port 13.7, and I mean nothing's gonna happen, right? So there's not gonna be. You'll try to learn tomorrow. Yeah, I mean, hey. Okay, so nothing's gonna happen as you get here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna set up. We need to use Express to set up a little bit of routing. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and make a new file. Well, this will be our base index file. You know, boom, a little bit of HTML thrown in. Chat. And then what we'll do is we'll do app.get. Oh, not link. Get. And we'll say just a slash. So this is basic routing. So this is we're setting up an endpoint, our root endpoint essentially. Request and response into function. And then what we will do is just send file. Yeah, sure. Send file. That file is going to be your name plus text.html. So now if we go there, it should go. Ooh, I broke a thing, guys. I broke a thing. Why is app.get? Oh, I know what I did. Boom. Okay. This, you can tell we've hit the file we're looking for because it has the title of chat. So we are getting there. All right. So what we need to do, so we've got very basic things set up. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna set up some we're gonna set up an event for connecting to the socket. So we will we'll do that somewhere in here. io.on and say connection function socket. We'll say console.log. We'll just say a user has connected. Boom. How long do these usually go for? I don't I don't know. My streams are typically gaming streams, and I throw in some coding streams every now and then. My streams in general tend to be 2 to 3 hours, depending on how I'm feeling. Could be more, could be less. Depends on if we get frustrated doing this. I'm a big noob to like Node.js and all, so I may not get anything done. So I will say, okay. So we're just gonna say that a user has connected, and we'll also broadcast a message. That way, it's thrown out there on the socket. No worries, Declan. It's all good. Make sure if you haven't already, you slam that subscribe button. You can see more streams. Which Discord did you see me in? You did subscribe? Well, thank you so much. I did not hear a notification. Maybe you have your settings on private. But thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Oh, DGR. Okay. Yeah. DGR is awesome. Known him for quite some time now. I've known him since he had less subscribers than I do, actually. Socket.on. Okay, and then we can say when we receive a certain event with message, we'll do a function. And so what I'm going to do is once we receive something, I don't know, we'll just say 00 for not too worried about what happens. Okay, and then we'll go back to our index here, and I'm going to need socket stuff. Okay, so you have socket is, I mean, I installed it, right? Well, yeah, of course I did because I'm using it already. Socket.io. Okay, so then what I want is to, yeah, I'm gonna need to grab a couple of things. You want to put it right before the body. Now, seems to be sweet. All right, so we're just doing a little bit of setup so we can actually have some socket stuff going. Sockets just allow for real-time communication between the front end and the back end. I can send data without reloading the page and everything. So that's our goal for the moment. So we'll do a script. Boom. And we'll do function. Like a fully anonymous function. Oh, got to indent. Got to indent. Okay. And then socket. IO. Then really let's see what we can do. I just want to you actually start learning now. That's awesome, dude. Hopefully that is I inspired you a little bit, hopefully. Not gonna finish it completely. Hey, I'm not gonna finish this probably. Good to get a head start. Always good to get a head start. Socket.on say 00, which is what I did. Okay. All right, well, it's connection. Socket on new connection. Oh yeah, there we go. So I didn't actually broadcast. Next year I'm gonna try code because hey, it's nice. Very cool, very cool. Socket.broadcast .emit. And we're gonna say what our code is. Our code is gonna be, we'll call it a 00. That's gonna be our actual connection. 00, and we'll just message huge approaches. Boom. Okay. There's that, and then it goes on this end. Say on receive of a 0, 0. This. Yeah, I'm still, learning how to do a lot of this stuff too. So I like doing these things where it's kind of fun for me to learn, kind of fun for you guys to learn. So, what do I want to do? So for the moment, let's just simply say app. Then we will just say chat. I'll throw a little jQuery in the mix. And chat dot append message. I don't know if this is not seem to have worked. Do anything? Is there errors? A user has connected. Okay, so we got a user has connected, but that's that emitting. Okay. Socket on. Maybe I have to. Here is. I want to emit this. So we emitted that. We did emit this. So if we emitted a 0, yeah. How about I just say, oh, not a pin. Just say cat dot. No. Let's console.log. Nope, not console logging it. I'm wrong. Now, a user has connected. I've connected. Where we're already running into some bumps. A user has connected, and we haven't. Maybe I need to. You need to. What about io.emit 0, 0. Got a problem. Connection refused. Crashed. Message is not defined. Well, that makes perfect sense. New challenge. Okay. There we go. So, all right. That's good. Yo, Shadow, what's happening? How you doing? We creating things, okay? We creating things. So for now, this is our connection. But I don't really want to emit that, right? Like that's just not. We don't actually need to. But I just wanted to see. Okay, so I wanted to see if I could do it. You're doing well, awesome, man. Glad to. Okay, so we have sockets now, which means I can send data back and forth between the front end and the back end. That's great. So what we want to do now is move on to using TMI.js. So see if I can manage this. Trying to get this. TMI.js is a node library for Twitch chat. Require JS. Okay. We don't break anything. Boom. A new user. But even still emitting that. Really don't. So, what I need to do next, guys, I need to find a way to incorporate the other stuff that I'm doing. So, anybody got any plans for the weekend? The weekend? The weekend? Okay. See you. It's confused. What are you trying to do? All right. So our first thing. No, nothing. Nothing for the weekend. Obama. Obama. All right. Take out the other. Starting anybody's. Trying to learn. What are you trying to learn though? I'm saying, like, what are you? Are you following along with me? Is that what you're trying to do? Okay. Fine, and then I now need to. Basically, I need to connect. Client.connect. Oh, you're looking. What kind of? What are you looking? This kind of stuff you're looking up though to script in? Or like for Roblox, I assume. I assume. I'm gonna say client. Okay, client dot on. We'll say message. Say this function channel tags message. It says local ABC, and then it says assets. Doesn't tell me what it can. Local ABC equals what language is that in? I don't understand what language that's in. Let's just console log eggs. Yo, what's going on, Luna and Lance? How's it going, guys? Think anything can be used for? Not really. Not sure I understand. Okay, let's. So, okay, so get it? Yes. Okay, I did. I got my. There's my message stuff right here. Well, that's the user anyway. Yo, Blaze. Blaze, it has been a truly long time. How you doing, man? Good to see you. Nothing much. Just got off the treadmill. Lance, I'm doing good, man. Samo, what's happening? How's it going? Got all kind of cool people hanging out with us today. I'm not worthy. I am not worthy. Crap. Hold on. So, we are making it somewhere, you guys. Can I do dot init? That happen? Let's just say 00 and eggs. The only cool person here, whatever. Whatever, dude. That's not even anywhere close to true. Trying to get my singing voice back. Nice. Oh, I don't. Break it. Might have broke it. Might have broke it. That. Do this thing if I need. Would it be better to go make stuff and then look up on YouTube how to do this thing? Yes, absolutely. Oh, it's Paula. What's happening? How's it going? Just breaking stuff here. Okay, so that actually mess something. Really just completely work this. Okay. Connect it again. Let's see if it works. Do. Crazy, a lot of changes happening. Yeah. Can understand that. Okay, so let's try again. We are making a tool for Twitch chat to combine multiple Twitch chats together. And I'm streaming it on YouTube. So I'm making a horror game, then I can make a map and the monster, and then I can look up how to make a jump scare. I mean, work on learning how to do something small, and then once you think about the things you want to do, you can be like, okay, well, how do I do that? How do I do that? How do I do that? You know what I'm saying? Okay, hold on. Where did I break? Everything seems to be not really broken. I am doing pretty good. Kind of a small thing, yeah. Kill that, and let's try it again. User is connected. I'm not getting it. Jumps there. That's it. Hey, I mean whatever works for you, right? Paula, thanks so much for the retweet. Get it? Okay. So why is it broken now? Because it was absolutely working at least partially a second ago. And a second ago. Thanks, Paula. Just no, we're still not getting it. Why are we not getting it? No, I am console logging. What did I break, guys? Early. That doesn't matter. And then let's just again plan one. I'll make you like me again somehow. You've been using an easier way of making a game called Develop? Awesome. I don't know anything about Develop. Tell me more. Tell me more about this thing you call Develop. That's it. I need to know. I haven't used my singing voice because I was forced out singing. Yeah, I remember you told me that yesterday. That's crazy. Sorry that happened. We are using a technology called Node with a bunch of different libraries to try and do this task. Sorry, GDevelop. Still haven't heard of this. I'm interested. You got my attention. Guessing it's specifically made for game development, based on the name. The tags, yeah. Let's do that. This is restarting. Or then. Oh, because I'm on the wrong Twitch chat. Oops, poor Chadley. Okay, probably been working all this time. What's new with me? Work's been insane. Got a promotion to a lead developer. What else? I don't know. COVID. I mean, I don't know what. Stuff. Okay, that's actually this is a start right here. Yeah, thank you so much, Paula. Good insane, no. Very, very not good insane. But that's okay. Okay, so guys, this is actually really good. Hold on. Yo. Where am I at? Let's go back to what I was looking. I'm looking at like the one I was doing earlier. So, okay, what I want to do is can I emit all of this and it'll be okay? Let's find out. Okay, so. Nope. Okay, what did I do? Oh, okay, I know what I did. when I copied something, I didn't. I have an 18-year-old graduate now, and a 10-year-old, and a 3. That is incredible. Like, how crazy is that? So we're gonna say channel dot replace, and then we will replace the hash in front of it with nothing. That's the short version. Yeah, that. Okay, we got things happening. That's okay. That's okay. We got things happening. Bonus ducks. What's going on, Gonzalo? How's it going? Then we're having some stuff with the school. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, so what we want to do, guys, this is actually really good. I know it looks junky and funky and all that right now, but oh man. Okay. Real quick, does it happen? Hello? Okay. Okay. Hold up. We got things happening, you guys. Yo, we got things happening. We'll remove the color for now. I don't care about the color at the moment. And we don't need the beaver. Okay. Sup. Okay, so yeah, we have a live connection between my Twitch chat and this web app. That may not seem big to y'all, but that's really good. It's really good. So now, yeah, Luna, I know it's trying to do it last night, right? Yeah, you were telling me that. Good luck. Hopefully, you can make some progress. Okay. So, okay. So for the next thing we want to do is we want to, instead of just make the want to start in the lobby. Oh, nice. Nice. Okay, so our chat is here. And then what we actually want to do is we're going to say UL with an ID chat line. And then we're going to say chat line dot append. It's going to be not just message, but it's going to be a li followed by message. Do this better. How'd you know what you're doing? I don't know what I'm doing all that much either. That's why I'm so excited as I'm getting it done. This stuff is all very new to me. Okay. What this? Hello? Hi? Is Cory? Okay. So, this is actually not bad. Okay, what do I want to do? I want to scroll it to the bottom. Always, right? You have an idea. Some of the language makes sense to you. Do you remember how long it took me to figure out how to make commands? I do, Vala. I do. Guys, if anybody feels like helping me out, helping me out, you can feel free to go over to my Twitch channel and type in my chat. I'm not streaming over there, obviously, but if you have a Twitch account and you want to type over there, that will help, so that I can have data to see and everything, so I don't have to keep going over there. But it's fine if I do. It's okay. Not mad. Okay, so we want to throw a little. We gotta do some styling now, right? So let's do folder styles and then file chat dot. That's fine. Don't worry about it. Chat.css, and we'll go here. In our head, we'll do a link. I don't remember CSS. There we go. And this will be in and that's in styles. Fish over there helping me out. And chat.c. Hey, thanks so much, Fish. How you doing, Fish? Good to see you. So what I might do at this point is also include Chadley's chat in for additional so that That's it. God of War 5. Yeah, yeah, totally. Totally. I just broke. Wah, wah, wah. What is even happening? Maybe I have to. Let's just do star and put margin. Does that fix anything? Oh. What? I have never seen this error. Hold on. Used to apply style from as mine. Whatever. Hold up. What's up, Rigo? How's it going, dude? Good to see you, man. What did I do? Blah 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 blah. Base H. What is it? Base href does. What does that even mean? Let's try it. Let's see what happens. See what happens. About to get ready to for work. Hey man, I'm doing this. This right here is for all of us. Here you go. So that we can have a better. No, it's not. So we can have a. We can have an easier time chatting and stuff. That doesn't work for me. Blah blah blah. I have never seen this happen. Oh, do I have to? Because I'm dumb and didn't add this in. Nope. Oh wait, type 2. My brain hurts from this not working. I have never had this happen. Will this work on YouTube? It's not a YouTube thing. This specifically deals with the Twitch API, with a library for Twitch. I'm gonna look into the same thing for YouTube though, but I don't know. Fish looks like fun. Thanks, Fish. How are you and the family doing, Fish? Okay, we might just get that for right now, and then we'll do. Throw in. Ever, and now I need to do UL. These should be allies. List style. Ish. There we go. We got none of that. Is there? That is big. Okay. So we'll go with UL. Oh, it's I gotta add padding. 0. There we go. Okay. So now we got some basic stuff going. I need to also, let's see. How do I? Oh, okay. Wait, I know what I need to do also. So good. Awesome. Glad that you guys are doing well. Take message, put it and do. So I want to be able to get color and stuff for these, so they're not just like this. That's a start, though, right? That's a start. Chat, and also I believe if I remember correctly. Hello. Look at that. I'm over at Chatley's chat, and it works. Rigo, if you're still here, this is what I'm working on, right? I'm working on combining chat for all three of us, so that it will be easier for us to read. There's a few features I need to try and work on. Okay, I gotta be able to see it. Okay, so what I want to do is I can add here, I can say channels, and I could then console. Request parameters channels? Nope, channel. Right? And then if I do so now that is the channel. But the problem I have, I believe, that if I replace this here, okay, I need to, let's just see, let the channels, that is just, no, that's just nothing for now. And what I'll do is I'll say the channels, dot. Then let's see if in here, I think it's gonna, this is where I was having problems earlier. I've already broken it. No, I haven't. Okay. Gonna work? Not gonna work. It doesn't work. Because this is an empty. Now watch if I console. No. Brain hurts from my head hurts because I don't see it at all. Yeah. Okay. So let's just simply say console.log. Actually, that's not working. Not receiving it now. Oh, actually, it does. It does read it there. Double. I don't need it to twice. I'm just trying to test. So it does pick that up. Okay. 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 Well then, let's try. Channels equals, and then we'll do dot split, and then we'll do by comma, and now I get an array. It still doesn't. Did I type it right? Oh, again with this. Let's see. Nope, still not working. Okay. Paula Fish says hi. You didn't see it on that side this time because I broke it. I broke it things. Test. No. Okay, I broke it. See, it should. So channels, and when I log it here, like this should show that it's accessible there. But yay to fish. Clearly, I'm getting. Now, does this work? Is there anything wrong with this? No, that works perfectly. I want it to be where I don't have to where I don't have to hard code the channels in, and we can use this. I can have other people use it as well. That was the goal here, but I don't think that's gonna happen. I don't know that that's gonna happen, unfortunately. Okay. We have made amazing progress though, guys. So one way or the other, I'm not even mad. But I do want some things to happen here. So let's see if we can. Sorry, I'm work lurking as usual, being extra behind on everything. Process switching. Hey, don't worry about it, Paula. It's all good. I appreciate you stopping in at all, hanging out at all. So we're gonna emit that, and can I emit? I think I tried before emitting HTML in here, and it didn't work. Just put bold around this. Let's just see if that doesn't. Oh, that worked this time? Okay. I don't know what happened, why it didn't work before, but let's do it again. Font color. And let's then we will simply say. And actually, maybe instead of that, you're gonna go to bed? All right. Good night, dude. We're hanging out. Let's just make this a fan. Night, dude. And let's give it an ID. Now let's give it a class equal that. Okay. So if I inspect it, we now have a span of chat name. Okay. Now that's actually really good. We are, however, let's do style equals color, and then this. And what was the color one? I have it over here. Display. Oh, just tags color. Let's see if this works. Okay. Oh, wrong thing. Why? Yo. Fish, if you are still listening, can you say something so I can see if it shows your color correctly? Or anybody who is on, who might be over on the Twitch side listening, watching. Oh, there we go. Look at that. Yours is green just like on Twitch. Mine is blue like on Twitch. Okay, guys, this is getting good. Let's see. Can I? Oh boy, I was trying to inspect this. Did that not inspect properly? There we go. That's the Prime logo. There we go. Source. There's that. That's the same as this badge. Okay, so first, well, no. So we have our badge. We have access to badges. Moderator, premium. Maybe I won't put badges and stuff on here because if you're watching multiple channels, you might not be a mod on one or have the same badges on them. So I don't want to do that because that could be really confusing. And same with the subscriber stuff. Or, you know, I could because it'll have the server you're on, so that wouldn't matter. What is? Let's see. Moderator. If they have moderator, is that the moderator thing? Can I open that? Let's see. Can we? So what is this? Moderator 1. Moderator 1. It's a moderator back. So, uh-oh. I'm hosting some DGR. It started playing. I was confused. Okay, so what we can say is if if I like Dave, I have no problem with that. I'm on my Twitch channel and it confused me because the screen started, going off. So if tags dot badge all. No, that's not work. And that's also gadgets. That's not the clearly. Dave, I was cheering because we like Dave. We all like Dave. Not to lie. Do it like grab it like that. Badges raw. Dot includes. I don't know. Dot. First of all, dot includes moderator slash. Be extra crazy. Fish, can you also say something again? Oh, I don't think I actually did anything. It won't matter. Hold on. Console. Moderator. Apparently, I don't count as a moderator. Fish, are you a mod? I know you are, but I want you to respond if you're there. You're being my guinea pig since you decided to go over there. I mean, if you don't mind, honestly. If you're busy and stuff, I am not mad, but and obviously this is zoomed in, but I'm gonna set it up. Yes, and did we get a console log out of that? We did. Perfect. That's exactly what I wanted. Perfect. Okay. So instead of that, we will. Cool. Good. So let's put the badge next to your name. Okay. So let's say let badges that badges dot push whatever. I'm just gonna be like that mod. Yes. Mod equals say. Did I copy it? I didn't. I mean, I did copy it, but I copy. You meant mod for your channel? Yeah. Yes, ma'am. And I want to put that right before your name, right? Say here. So, and the badge. Badge. Okay. If you could kindly type something else, that'd be awesome. Okay, so and then what we'll do is maybe we'll just do this for also the Twitch Prime, I suppose, or something. What about this? See, this is gonna be a harder one. Ooh, okay, so I've got it there. It needs to be adjusted, but it's there. That's cool. You have your mod badge there. Oh, you know what? All this time, did we take out Chadley's channel? We did. Yeah, all this time I could also have tested with mine there. Okay, so we are making some really good progress with this, guys. Like, this is really cool. I like this a lot. Okay, but the main thing, okay, one thing I want to do also, I think. So let's look at here again, and let's look at this like Twitch. I don't think I care about the Twitch Prime thing. How about the broadcaster one though? We can do broadcaster. Is that a badge? Going into it, I know, but that doesn't mean anything. It could be crazy. Moderator, subscriber 0, premium. That's no big. User type mod. Oh hey, user type mod. I didn't even pay attention to that. I could probably just look if user type is mod. Pose. I like this better. I like this as a good way. All right, I need to go back to trying to figure out why I can't use the. Oh yeah, absolutely, Paula. I agree. Completely. It's definitely sad whenever I don't get like the expected results and stuff. For sure. Undefined old man Chadley. What did I? What's up, Chadley? Chadley's over there helping me test. What is this undefined? Okay, so mod badge. If you don't have mod badge, then it's undefined. Okay, but it should be. Okay, how about we say equals that instead? Hi, Chadley. Undefined old man Chadley. It sounds so insulting. Hey Chadley, can you type in your chat again? I want to see if undefined went away. I've actually made this is coming out a lot better than I thought it would because earlier I was having a lot of problems with it. I completely rewrote it though. So your chat is totally full with my messages. Hey, there we go. Okay. So I need to see, is there a broadcaster badge? There is. There's a broadcaster badge. Perfect. We're going to have the broadcaster badge also. Specifically because I want to. No real reason other than that I want to. So let's go with let broadcaster be all tech savvy and stuff. I'm trying. Let streamer. Let's go with streamer. Streamer badge. Okay, Chadley, no worries, dude. Thanks for coming in, man. So if we, how about if badges raw, right? That's where that badges raw. Includes broadcast. Then we will grab the actual link. Where'd it go? Did I not edit? Grab this. And we will say broadcast. Whatever. Streamer badge. Yo, Diogo, what's going on, my man? Yes, coding for a bit of fun. So there is some backstory behind this this project. If anybody is just dropping in and has not been here, so myself, Chadley's wife, and Rigo, we all stream Diablo 3 on Saturday nights. And in order for us to keep up with the chats, we basically have all three chats opened at the same time. What is undefined? Why is it undefined? And it just makes it really difficult to keep up with the chats. Why did that not work? Oh, because I don't have it. And it makes it tough to keep up with the chats. And so I'm just making a nice little app that is going to combine chats for us. I am trying to make it to where you can customize it, but right now it's not helping. I mean, where you can like choose which streamers rather than just the specific ones. Boom. All right. I will set. I'll change the stylings and stuff on this. I just kind of want to get it ready. So yeah. So far we have. If you have a color, market and get rich. Yeah, something like that. I mean, hey, if I can get it working the way I want, this actually is going to be pretty helpful, I think, to a lot of people. But yeah, so far we have an indicator of which server you're typing from, or the color based on having a color in your like specified in your name, because he doesn't have a color here, color null. And your message, and then like moderator badge for that channel, and if you're a broadcaster, if you're the streamer of that channel. So far, that's kind of what we're at so far. And then I'm trying to make it to where if I type in like CC Gaming, Twitch, and then Old Man Chadley and Taco Master Spanish Dude, then like I'm trying to make it to where it would take all of those and make those the ones that it's linked to, but it's not wanting to take those channels. Can't quite figure out why. I have it as an array. I can copy the array and it works fine. But if I use the variable here instead, I don't like it. Why is that? Okay, Paula. Is that guy? This is getting called. This happens before this did. I bet that's. What if I have no idea if this will break everything. I'm sure it will actually. But if it doesn't, then that would work really good. Yo. Oh wait, no. I haven't actually used it yet. Try. Yeah, that's what I figured. Okay, undefined. No, it doesn't say undefined here. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so it's definitely doesn't work that way. I don't understand. Okay. GG for breaking it. I'm curious now. Oh wait, so did I not save? I didn't save. Out of those here, yeah, that's gonna be something I probably can't really help with. Going that. I mean, I probably could if I really worked hard at this, but that's okay. What else are we doing? Let's see. I really want this to be able to be where you can choose which stream. Where did and I was over. Thankfully, I found it. Yay! Yeah, awesome. Woohoo! So let's see. Yes. Want to. Yeah, so I wanted to see if it would scroll. It doesn't scroll by default, but I do have. I think I can if I use okay. If I use this. Library that I found at one. And then roll to bottom. Where's bottom? Assuming you're doing mostly backend web or you're doing some. So I'm basically gonna use it's gonna be to where you can to where you can embed it in OBS. That's my goal. But not a plugin. It's just gonna be a website, you know. I'm gonna my intention is to upload it to Heroku or something. But like I said, I really want it to be to where where people can use it other than just us. That's the problem. Bottom? No. Bottom is. Oh, there we go. So. Okay, so yeah, so let's just kind of copy what I. So. Bottom one here, and then what I'll say is one. I also don't need. And then also I want to scroll to bottom, which I have somewhere. Scroll bottom. Okay. Try again. Hey, no spamming. Fish, I'm a spam. It's my channel. It's my channel, and I'll spam if I want to. Aha. Yes, that's exactly what I wanted. So now it automatically shows you the lowest one as the newest, you know, so you can see it all the time. Yeah, Diogo, you're a developer too, aren't you? I'm really new to all this Node stuff, so I'm learning this as I go. Got you. Cure and reconnect. Still annoyed by not being. Boom, 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 boom. Testing. Boom. Mind blown. Okay, so while I'm at it, let's work on some styling. So let's say 50%. I need to do it on the image. Okay, on the image itself. That's totally what I want. So instead, I think about like 3.5%. Looks about the same. 3%. 3.5. I think 2% looks pretty good. Right? That's pretty small. I like it. So just throw that in. We need to give the images a like a class. So image class. I'm giving these classes specifically so that they're customizable, so that if you're including this in OBS or something, you can throw in some CSS and override it. Working on iOS almost 2 years. Wow, nice, dude. That's awesome. I primarily work in Java and JavaScript, mostly JavaScript, but vanilla JavaScript. And so learning any of these libraries and stuff like that is always interesting and fun. Class equals. We'll just call this like badge class. I mean, I do, but. And so badge class. Yes. With 2%. R. Tiny sword. Tiny sword. That didn't work at all. Why that didn't work? Because I camel case everything and did not camel case it there. Tiny sword do 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 do. Tiny sword do 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 do. Oh, there you go. Yeah, does that look good, or should I make it just a slight bit bigger? We can also like give it a little bit of padding. Oh wait, we only want 0.1%. Doesn't look bad. You think it looks good? No, it's fine. I'm taking opinions. You know, I'm not a designer by any means. Not a designer. Not a designer. I gave it a little bit of space between this. That looks good. Yeah, so that's that. Adding. What am I supposed to have an opinion on? I was just wondering if y'all like the way that the icons were sized and stuff right there. Sized and spaced and all. Yeah. Should we do something at all with this? I don't want it to be like right on the edge. So why don't we say we'll give everything a padding of, it does seem a bit small. Padding of 0 and 2%. Small. Ooh, that's way too much. Oof. 0%. Oh, I see why. That's not what I wanted to do. Let's actually just give app. Adding 0%, 2%. Better. Okay, that's the opposite of the way that I wanted, but I'm wait. App is why not? No, I'm just testing the padding and stuff. Hold on, let's see. Let's go with badge. Let's give it okay. Okay, well, that in feels small. Hard to tell. Okay. There is that, but I want to let us go back to the chat and specifically give it a margin. Adding 1%. Mole. I know, get the 1%. The chat. All right. Interesting. Nope. How about that line? Ooh, that's way too much. Coding in Node. Borg cortical nodes? Yes, yes, exactly. How did you know? You. If you'll notice, Supa, what I'm doing here, because you probably missed the context, is that when Rigo, Chadley, and I stream on Saturday evenings, we like to be able to see all the chats, and we have a hard time keeping 3 different chats open and reading them all at once. This will help. This is actually taking all the chats and combining them into one, so that we can read them, or keep up. Keep on top of it. Seems slightly better, like not good enough. What do you, Diogo and Supa also? What do you guys think about the size of these badges? Right. You have a hard time with just one, right? Exactly. That's why we're gonna have all these. We're gonna have them all together. I believe I even have let's see, TV Spanish, Taco Master Spanish. I think I have his in here. His setup in here. Are we hosting somebody? Oh, he is hosting. Okay. Best. His is not in here. Badges, they look fine. Okay. Let's add Rigo's chat. And just like that, that didn't help. There we go. So, what do you guys think of the design then? You get the server that people are talking in. You get either moderator, well, you get moderator and broadcast badge. That's the only badges I want to worry about, because I don't want to have to try and figure out how to get all the different subscriber badges and stuff like that. Maybe VIP. Maybe VIP could be one. But then you get, if the person has their name colored, if they've specified a color, and then their text. I'm not saving it or anything like that. I'm just displaying it, just making it easy for us to see. That's all I'm doing. That's it. That's all I'm doing. Oh. GG. Yeah. Thought about messing with the emojis. These are things I wish I had or could get for fun. Is that my wish list? That's funny. Nightbot. Oh, it's not mine. It's Rigo's. I was like, what even? Should we make links clickable, guys? Because if this can go out to other people in the future, do we want links to be clickable? I could put weird together and make them do things. Words, I'm guessing? Not weird? Not weird at all. Yeah, weird words. Ah, weird words. See, he thinks these are weird words, guys. Nice. Nightbot's a mod on Spanish Dude's channel. Oh my gosh. Let's see. Yes. Why not? Right? It's another thing to do. So let's do it because we can. So this is gonna be like, we're gonna make an option. So we're gonna say like let's say const options. I don't think I have options. Okay. Oh, don't most channel. Right, but if a mod drops a link, they can usually do it and things like that. So I don't know. I'm just gonna maybe write some code to maybe let that happen. I don't know. Well, we'll see. Of clickable links through. Okay. So what we'll say is when we actually maybe this might be more difficult than than something I want to tackle right now. Because I have to I can figure out if it's got like HTTP or something in the beginning. Then I have to figure out how long the link is and that right now. I don't want to deal with that actually as a thing right now. It could be a feature in the future. A future feature, if you will. A future feature for the future. All right, Paula, thanks so much for hanging out, and tell everybody I said hello. We're not actually going to have, this is going to be false. I'm not doing anything with it right now, but setting up a potential for some settings. Okay, I need to still figure out future feature presentation. Yo, Fanatic, my dude. My dude. What's going on, man? How you doing? How you doing? This is just a nice little coding project, Project Areno that we're doing here to try and to successfully bring together a couple of chats, a couple of call it chat, Twitch chats. Yeah. Okay. I'm just confused at why this doesn't. Okay, so let's. Doing good, man. I'm doing good. Actually, let's just. So we determined that it doesn't work at all coming from a variable, right? I don't. Wait, it's showing as undefined here. There's our channels. Got any plans for the weekend? Super Fanatic. Okay, so it's a scope thing, but I was really hoping that I could define this here, use it in here, and then like assign it here, and then use it somewhere else as well. But that's the reason. So the patio. Hey Lee, what's going on, buddy? Hey, const, and then use that. 3 weekends in a row. Oh man. Not good, man. Not good. Landscaping. Dude, I'm doing pretty good, man. Doing pretty good. What if I did... No, let's set big panels. I'm doing good, Lee. I hope you're doing well, man. Is big then config dot. Go back and include. Ugh. Gross. You finish that today? It's definitely undefined now. Okay. That didn't. Okay. I probably won't be on that long. I don't know, maybe. Just to check it out. See, I don't know. Yeah, you finally came. Good to see you, man. Okay, let's see. Code use variable function. Something. Oh, let's see. Ooh, maybe I can do something. Gotta get this out. Okay, so modules dot set. Can I do something like that? That equal. A channel. I'm doing good, man. I'm doing good. Hope everything's good with you, man. Dodge. I don't. Maybe modules. Yeah, yeah. I can see you. I'm talking to you. I've been talking to you, Lee. Well, I totally broke it now. Modules is not def I didn't think that was. Ooh, let's just. No worries, dude. Yeah, it's definitely some kind of scoping issue. Can't figure out. Yeah, it's been a bit. Good to see you, man. Okay, well, that does work. I think I need. I think that. I don't think I need to be logging that. Okay, that tag. Clean it up a little. Thing. I feel like I could do more with it, guys. I feel like I could do more. But I do that. I am curious now if I add this, if I can add this as a browser source. And guys will see. Oh, I need to not have that at the moment because that's breaking. go. Let's add this as a browser source and see if I can make it transparent or something. Browser source. Add combined chat. You guys get to see some of this working stuff. Okay. That. Okay, so we don't have a background as it is, so that's actually really good. And then does it show up? Gotta find my tab. Okay, it's definitely there. You see, look, there it is. You see, it's there. Yeah. I need to have like I need to be able to give it a background and stuff, but that's like really good. Really good. So what I can do is I can actually give it some CSS. Right? That would be cool. But what I need is I need to make sure that these LIs, they don't have a class attached to them. Let's give them a class equals chat line. And then what we'll do is yes. Got some test things. And then we'll say, so what I'll do is I'll say that class chat lines. Y'all can't see me writing this. Okay. Oops. Background color. I don't know. Silver? I don't know if that'll even do anything. Does that do anything? Oh, maybe because I need to. Chat lines. The class chat lines. Ah, I did it again. Something. Okay. So yeah, you can definitely customize it on here with some CSS, which I mean I knew you could, but I was hoping that would be the case. There he goes. Like, look. There's the Twitch chat. Something. What we could do is, can't you do? There's like a. Let's see. CSS alternate row color. Do this. And do like. Nth child even. Nth child odd. So like. This is not exactly the super exciting stuff now, I'm sure, but I just kind of want to see that it can definitely be used. Yeah, coding is a lot of fun, and it's kind of like, why not do it with you guys, you know? That's actually this. Let's see. Nth child even. Then so that will be, get some good color pickers. So do with like, I don't know, something like, okay, how about we do something, go with like this for one of them. Then so color will be, and then we'll do for odd. I mean, this should work in here. OBS. In the background, let's go with something that's kind of contrasting a little bit. I mean, not too much. Let's go like, I don't know. Let's actually just go one darker. One darker. And I also need to make sure that. Okay. Now, test and test. And now, yeah, I mean, it doesn't look the greatest like that, but it definitely works, right? You could definitely, can't figure out how to code a chat. It's not easy, I promise you. It's not easy. It's not easy. So, yeah, I mean, it's definitely customizable and can be used here on OBS. You guys think of anything other like related to the style and stuff that I might want to do to it? The only other big thing that I want to do is to allow people to change the streamers, but I just cannot figure that out for the life of me. I mean, yeah, but I mean, I'm still working full time, so I'm still trying to find time in between work and play and all. Make the font Comic Sans. What I do want to do is I want to make sure everything has a class to it. That way, fully customizable, like as far as with the CSS. So, let's put this in a span here. This will be a class. Stream. Then about mod badge and stuff. Chat name, and then the message. I didn't give a message. This has actually been a really productive stream. I did not expect things to be. Are you the only one talking? I mean, some people are talking in the Twitch chat to help me out. You are the only one talking on YouTube at the moment. Those chat mess. This way people can customize it any further, you know. Yeah, so you got chat name, team name, chat line. You could do all kind of stuff. You could say like each chat lines you could do like or with 90 90% order radius. You could do all kind of stuff. Do width of like 60. Oh. 60%. Look at that. You could do all kind of stuff like that. Oh, it doesn't have the style applied to it that I gave it. But yeah, I mean, you could definitely do some cool stuff with it with some CSS and all that. Yeah, but just like it's gonna block stuff on here. Let me get rid of that for now. But that's something, right? It shows that you can definitely use it and style it if you want. So, that's really cool. I don't know why we're screaming. Why are you screaming? There we go. Ah. I'm not screaming. You're screaming. But anyways, okay. So I don't need to sit here and style it. I do think it's good that we can, it can be styled. I think that's as much as I can get done really right now. That's totally usable though. I might have to deploy this into Heroku so that Chadley and Spanish Dude can use it as well. But guys, I think that we're probably gonna wrap the stream up here. I mean, we finished up what we set out to do. I got this thing working, and I was not expecting to do that at all. So that's really good. Let's just that. But yeah, so thanks so much for hanging out. Thanks, Fish. I really appreciate you helping me be a guinea pig and all that. So that I could, so that we could, test this all out. Really appreciate it. All right. Well, I will see you guys next time. Oink. Oink, oink. All right, guys. Thanks so much. I will see y'all next time.